Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2017 Fiat 124 Spider. This Fiat is powered by rear-wheel drive i4 engine, automatic transmission, and has 58,077 miles. Discover the thrill of driving with our stunning 2017 Fiat 124 Spider. This stylish convertible combines sporty performance with Italian flair. Enjoy a unique driving experience today. Test drive your dream car and turn heads wherever you go. This pre-owned 124 Spider comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, push-button start, alloy wheels. To keep you entertained, this Fiat 124 Spider is equipped with touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.